Alright, time for another oil filter cut-up video of this N57 engine and that X5. So let's go through it. Something there. Smaller pieces there. It's a bunch of small glitter. Not a lot here. There's a small stripe somewhere there. There's a bit of a bigger piece. Didn't see a lot here. And then there was another bigger piece somewhere there. Oh, there's also some sure you can see that, some glitter in there. There might be something there. I mean, overall, I was expecting it to be much worse given what I found the last time, so if anything, it seems to be a bit better, I think. Slowly hasn't stopped, but not like... I was kind of worried. I was kind of scared of cutting this open because I was expecting a massive disaster, but it's not too bad actually. So yeah, the engine has another nearly 6,000 miles since, with mostly having towing. And so overall I would say maybe an acceptable result, maybe this is kind of normal. Certainly it doesn't seem like it's getting worse. It seems to be like a constant stream. Well, up to the next one. I hope it'll last.